Hello, my name's Don Chip. I'm the head coach of the Hill Murray ski team. I'm entering my 6th year of coaching the team. They asked us to do a video in our office, but that's a little impractical for me. I'm an airline pilot. So I couldn't show you the flight deck of a 737, but I could show you an airplane. And many Hill Murray athletes have taken rides in this airplane, and I hope to give you a ride. But I hope you attend Hill Murray, and I hope you join the ski team. I grew up next to a ski area. I was a ski racer, a freestyle person, and ultimately I became the state champion. I was 20th at the U.S. Nationals the same year. My son went to school here. I'm married. I've been married 25 years, and I was able to coach the ski team for 4 years when my son went to school here. We've grown from 9 to about 45 athletes. Our girls team has gone from dead last to the point now where they're probably the very best team in the section. They went to the state meet for the first time last year. Our boys team is now probably a top 20 team in the state. My ambition is to make it fun. I picture myself in 7th grade and I imagine the kind of ski team that I would want to have. We really try to say yes to the athletes. Whatever it is that you want to do, I want you to do that. We have students that do theater while they're on the ski team. You can show up late, you can leave early, you can attend your USSA club team practice, D team, whatever it is that you want to do. We will time you regularly and rank you on the team. The top 20 athletes of each gender will race in the Metro East Conference for Hill Murray. Top 10 are declared varsity, and our top 6 at the end of the year will go on to ski in the section meet and hopefully the state meet. Please check out our website, hillmurrayathletics.com/Alpine ski. Please read the coach bios. We have a coach on staff that's put athletes on the U.S. ski team. We have a former professional ski racer, master's class racers, former CEO of a ski area, ski instructors, a female ski instructor that went to Hill Murray and went to the state meet. All have been accomplished athletes, and we're all here to help you. I really want to emphasize that no previous skiing or ski racing experience is required. If you've never skied before, we can have you skiing and ski racing in no time. And then on the other end of the spectrum, if you want to be a state champion, let's go. Ultimately, it's my hope that we create straight titles for Hill Murray with both gender teams. Please feel free to call me at any time. My number's on the website, otherwise 612-207-3853. I hope you find Hill Murray to be rewarding just as we have, and I hope you join the ski team. Thank you.